So good morning everyone. Today I'm going to explain you switch case example. Fine. This example already told you in yesterday's class that how switch case works. Fine. So switch case avoids the use of multiple if else. Suppose I want to write a program and this is the program. Okay. Let me write one program for you. So
सर थोड़ा
this is the
zoom
program.
लिखेंगे
Yes. Yes.
थोड़ा सा zoom करके लिखेंगे
Zoom और Zoom
सर
ये तो
zoom
पॉसिबल ही नहीं है।
किंतु सर आप थोड़ा सा बड़ा लिखेंगे क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो रही है देखने में।
आप एप्पल का मोबाइल यूज करते हो?
हाँ जी।
इसलिए क्योंकि उसका स्क्रीन सबसे छोटा होता है। अभी तो मेरा खुद लैपटॉप ही बहुत छोटे स्क्रीन वाला है, तो इसमें तो मुझे स्पेस को यूज करके करना है। लेट मी ट्राई। ओके,
सर
so this is a program which calculates the remainder. Okay, so let me ask the user to enter any number. Fine. And this is decimal number. That's why I want to print the remainder from decimal. And scanf %t address of A, and then B equals to A mod 10. Okay, this will give you remainder from 0 to 10. Now my program starts from here. If B equals to 0, okay, if B equals to 0, then print f/n remainder is 0. Else if B equals to 1, equals to not equals to simple, then printf remainder is 1. Then else if, okay, and finally in this way this program will go. And whenever you miss any of the else, it will give you wrong output. So to avoid such kind of thing, to avoid such kind of multiple if else, actually in programming practice, uh, what is the problem? Let me show you. This is no problem, there is no problem, there is also no problem. Nested if else test for multiple cases by placing if else selection structure inside if else selection structure. Okay, and once condition is met, rest of the statement is skipped. And deep indentation usually not used in practice. So that is the reason why we are not going here. Also it shows the number of nested structure. Okay, so to avoid such kind of thing, and due to this, means already told you in yesterday's class, due to this there may be problem related with logical error. Okay, because if any of the if is misplaced, then it will produce the logical error. So to avoid such kind of thing, better to write a program with switch case. Let us see this program. This program is very simple. You can enter the value here. I am going to print the remainder 0 1 2 3 4. Whatever number you are entering, it will print the remainder. Okay, so and this program works well, and this statement will never come because this default condition is you have entered something else. Okay, so let me change this program from this to some other value. Now this program is where the remainder is 0 1 2 3 4, then it will print remainder, otherwise it will print default value. You have entered something else. Something else means you are not entering the proper value. And I am showing also without break. Okay, without break I am showing, because yesterday I had shown you the example of fine. So this is the program. What is switch? Switch is on or off, how to on or how to off. Okay, so like fan switch, you are regulating the value. So this is your regulator. Okay, and whenever this value like 45 is entered, then a mod 10 will give you 5. Okay, so this will switch will be 5, so it will go to 5, case number 5. If case number 5 is not there, then it will print the default statement. So let me run this program and check the output for 45. Okay, now case default you have entered something else. Let me run this program once again. Here enter the value. If I am putting /n over here, then it will ask from new line. Okay, now I am writing the value as 4. So case 4, remainder for your number is 4. But the problem with this program is whenever I am writing any number which produce 0 1 2 3, so let me show you like 42 is written. So what will be the output? Just see. Case 2, remainder for your number is 2. Okay, because its remainder is 2. So from here onwards, all the statements will be executed by this program. But in case of if your if is properly written, then it will not happen. So to avoid such kind of thing, you need to write break. Okay, you need to put break in every places. Fine. Now this problem will be recovered from the previous dilemma. Okay, let me write /n also here, and yes, if I am running this program now, whatever value I am putting like 2 is there, then remainder is 2, and it will produce only one output, that is case 2, remainder for your number is 2. Okay, yes or no? So is this very simple structure of writing program? So yesterday one problem I had pasted over this post. Okay, you need to write a code, a section general. Okay, switch number. So you need to write a code. Nitya has written something, but others have not. Others need to write. So I had pasted one problem here, whether the number is divisible by 5 or not. Using switch case, you need to write a statement. Okay, so just I'm providing you 2-minute time. Within 2 minutes, just paste your knowledge, taste your knowledge and paste your knowledge. Fine, so your time start now.
प्रोग्राम लिखना है क्या सर?
हाँ,
मतलब सर ये जो नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 5 मतलब पूरा प्रोग्राम लिखना है सर?
नहीं पूरा प्रोग्राम नहीं, सिर्फ 4 स्टेटमेंट लिखने हैं। मेन स्टेटमेंट पर लिखना है आपको। मैंने यहाँ स्टेटमेंट लिखा, प्रोग्राम नहीं लिखा।
यस सर।
So वो मेरा लिखते
Nayan, your statement is incomplete.
हाँ सर वो लिखते लिखते एंटर दब गया तो वो सेंड हो गया।
कोई बात नहीं, और इस पे रिप्लाई करना है। यस,
कहाँ लिखना है?
पोस्ट में।
वो मेरा वाला सही है।
Hitesh Agrawal, this problem is associated with switch case statement. It is not associated with what if else. Okay.
सर
So I'm showing you program again. I am giving you 1 minute and you need to write code from here to here only. So those who have not written anything, their marks will be deducted, okay, from final sessional, because you are not active in class.
So Mr. typing problem.
Yes. What is the problem? Let me check.
पिक्चर भेजी है चैट में, देखना।
चैट बॉक्स में एंटर मार रहे तो सर डायरेक्ट वो कन्वर्सेशन डायरेक्ट पोस्ट हो जा रही है सर। उसको नीचे कैसे करके लिखे सर?
आपको पोस्ट में जाना है जनरल में, और उस पोस्ट के नीचे रिप्लाई ऑप्शन आ रहा होगा। जैसे अभी हमारा करंट में ये प्रोग्राम है, तो यहाँ पर ये रिप्लाई में यहाँ पर जाना। 43 रिप्लाईज यहाँ दिखाई दे रहे हैं ना पूरे।
हाँ सर मैं वही कर रही हूँ, लेकिन मतलब मैं रिप्लाई दे रही हूँ और न्यू कन्वर्सेशन में, तो मेरे को एंटर करके नीचे लिखना है तो वो डायरेक्ट एंटर होके चला जा रहा है।
हाँ ये होगा, ये तो आपका होगा ही होगा।
वही सर यही हो
ओके,
रहा है सर।
आप लिखते तो जाओ, रिप्लाई तो लिखते जाओ, रिप्लाई लिखना इम्पोर्टेंट है।
ठीक है सर मैं लिखती हूँ।
अच्छा, ये प्रोग्राम है कहाँ पर, कहाँ दिया हुआ है ये प्रोग्राम? क्योंकि बहुत लोगों के जो आ रहे हैं बस बड़े स्पेशल आंसर आ रहे हैं। ग्रेट। यहाँ पर उनके साथ उनके वो जो भी कॉन्टेक्स्ट है वो भी पेस्ट हो जा रहे हैं। हर्ष, ये तो कल का प्रोग्राम है कि आज का है? यस्टरडे।
सर हम स्विच के अंदर कंडीशन दे सकते हैं ना?
स्विच के अंदर कौन सी कंडीशन देना है?
लाइक सर ए मॉड मतलब मॉड जो हमने निकालता मॉडुलस उसका 5 = 2 = 0।
स्विच के पैरेंथेसिस के अंदर दे सकते हो कंडीशन।
ओके सर दे दीजिए।
ये जो बाकी का पेस्ट हो रहा है, जैसे अभिजीत ने अभी पेस्ट किया, कहाँ से पेस्ट किया अभिजीत ये?
सर लाइक सर गूगल पे मिल गया था सर थर्ड लिंक पे। तब आपका सेम टू सेम क्वेश्चन डाल के सर थर्ड लिंक पे आ गया था।
देखो अभी आप लोग 12th पास करके आए हो, अपने दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करना सीखना चाहिए आप लोगों को। यहाँ पर मैंने काफी टाइम तक ये कोड डिस्प्ले करवाया है। ओके, so you can write the code using, and I am using English for particular persons, but they are not replying me. Okay, so many persons are there, so I am making absent them because those who are not posting last 1 minute, already 12 minutes given, those who are not posting, they will be awarded absent today.
सर
Yes,
मैं टीम में शो नहीं हो रहा हूँ, मतलब मेरे वो जनरल का ऑप्शन ही नहीं आ रहा है।
बाकी लोगों को क्यों आ रहा है?
मुझे
क्या
नहीं
नाम
आ
है
रहा है।
आपका?
मैंने अभी वो हितेश
नाम?
कुमार।
हाँ,
हितेश कुमार।
उदित कुमार।
हितेश कुमार।
मोदित और उदित?
हितेश।
सर हितेश।
हितेश।
हितेश कुमार।
सर हाँ सर
और कौन है जिसको नहीं आ रहा है? ओनली हितेश इज देयर ना? ओके,
यस सर।
अब देखो अब आने लगा होगा।
यस सर।
Okay, so I'm stopping here. Now let me show you what you need to do. Okay, so this program was very simple, and this if and case switch is very simple. How do you write and how it is executed? So this is our case switch case block. Fine. So our target is to write a program which will display whether the number is divisible by 5 or not using switch case. Although this is very simple program, you can write it with if else, but whether the program is means you are able to write in switch case or not. So let me show you. So whatever one student has already told that whether we can put the condition over here or not. So I am doing the same. Okay. Or you can write also b equals to something, but I am switching to the same thing, whatever he has told. Switch.
मैंने एक कोड वापस लिख के भेजा है, आप चेक करिए।
Yes.
सर मैंने एक कोड वापस लिख के भेजा है, कल जैसा आपने समझाया था उसी वे में, आप एक बार चेक कर लीजिए।
ओके, मैं इसको बाद में चेक करूंगा, ठीक है। अभी आप लोग क्लास पे ध्यान दो, जब मैं स्टार्ट कर देता हूँ। सो स्विच नाउ, yesterday I had told you that value equals to a mod 5. Now okay, yes, so switch is a mod 5. Okay, this is your switch. Direct switch statement is written here. Don't confuse with this. Either you can write instead of a mod 5, you can write this statement, put one value here and like this. So I will show you in both the ways. Now there may be possibilities of remainder as 0, case 0 followed by colon, and write printf divisible by 5. And default, because either the number is divisible or not divisible. Printf not divisible, and put one break over here. This is very important. Don't forget to put break over here. I had not written, so this program will run correctly, but it will print both the statement upon. If the number is divisible by 5, it will print divisible by 5, not divisible. So break statement will break the program. Okay, so be careful. Switch case and break, these are the important thing. And now this switching is over and this program is also over. Okay, now if you want to change, if you are not able to get the program, like why this a mod 5 is written, so you can avoid such kind of thing also. You can write, you can add one more variable. If you are not comfortable with this, then you can add one more variable, that is your value. Fine, and value is equals to a mod 5, and here you start putting switch value. Okay, got it or not?
Yes, sir.
So with this, we complete the switch. This is also known as multiple selection structure, useful when a variable or expression is tested for all the values it can assume and different actions are taken. So this is the format switch, and this is your regulator. Actually, this is your regulator of switch. Okay. Whatever value is coming, it will act accordingly. And very important thing, if you want to write something like if the condition does not fulfill, then you can put here default statement. If you want to make an exception handling, okay, exception handling, for this purpose you are using default. Okay, so remember this word exception. When this exception will come, when this condition is, the switch condition is not fulfilled. Okay, for this all, like in previous program I had shown you that it will display 0 1 2 3 4 if the remainder is 0 1 2 3 4 5. If the remainder is greater than 5, then it will print you have entered something else. Okay, so this is flow structure of switch. Here, like case 0 and case default, or suppose default action is there, or case 0, case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, and likewise. So it will print that action, it will perform that action, and it will take break. So I am going to tell you, I am going to make one program for what? For addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I am asking user what action you want to perform. Okay, so are you ready to check this type of program? Are you interested in a program which will calculate addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division in one program, but
Yes.
user's choice?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir.
so switch case for arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operation. So I am designing one menu. Enter 1 for sum. Okay, /n, then 2 for difference, and I am going to write one more printf. In single printf also you can do the same thing. Enter, yes, enter. Enter 3 for multiplication, enter 4 for division. ठीक है? This is your choices. And also address of A, this is your choice. I am making choice, 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 and this is your choice. Okay. Now, because all the operation require 2 values, okay, so better to enter 2 values also. No, I'm not going to do here. This is your choice, and choice is read by the system. Now switch is our choice, CHOICE. There are 4 different menu, case 1, case 2. So I'm erasing this case. Case 1 is there, case 2, case 3, case 4, and default. Okay. So in case 1, I am asking the person, enter 2 number, enter 2 NUMBERS numbers to add. Okay. Now A and B is there, and the result RESULT. Fine. And value
Excuse me,
is
sir.
not. Yes.
सर आप जो टाइप कर रहे हो वो विजिबल नहीं हो रहा सर.
नहीं हो रहा है.
नो सर.
यस सर.
Now is it visible?
नो सर.
यस सर. नो सर अभी भी नहीं है.
नो सर.
सर आ गया.
Okay, so these are the menu. Okay, this is actually menu which will print menu. I had put several /n, so it will print enter 1 for sum, enter 2 for difference, enter 3 for multiplication, and enter 4 for division. Automatically it will print the menu and it will receive the choice from user. And now case 1 is for enter 2 number to add for addition. Okay, and then scan the number, scanf, and it will be scanned to variable %d for A and %d for B. Okay, so let us write A comma B and at the address of A and address of B. Now, and then it will display the result. The result is okay, printf so result is also not required. Very simple program. I am just writing here A plus B. Okay, so this is one case which we have fulfilled, and one break statement is also written. Now for second case, what is our second case? For difference, enter 2 for difference. So enter 2 numbers for difference. Now the result will be A minus B. This is your case 2. Okay, this is your case 2. Now case 3 is multiplication. So again I am putting the same thing. Only exception is that here I am putting multiplication. Okay, and this is A multiplication. And case 4 is the same thing. And this will be divided by B, and because we are putting here, so let me write %f for floating point number. Okay, it will give you result in floating point. Let us check whether it is working or not. And in case of this, you have entered wrong choice.
सर हम चॉइस को करेक्टर ले सकते हैं?
कहाँ ले सकते हैं?
सर चॉइस जो आपने माना है इंट, उसको हम करेक्टर भी ले सकते हैं ना सर?
कैरेक्टर ले सकते हो ना, बिल्कुल ले सकते हो। अभी हम कैरेक्टर पे जा ही नहीं रहे हैं, ठीक है? कैरेक्टर वाला भी बताएंगे अभी, इसके बाद इसी को मैं कैरेक्टर ड्रिवन बनाऊंगा, ठीक है? तो आई थिंक दिस प्रोग्राम इज written correctly. Let me try to run. Okay, so now this is the output. Enter 1 for sum, enter 2 for difference, enter 3 for multiplication, enter 4 for division. So I am not happy with this program. Why? Because one enter is one space, after one space, and another enter is from beginning. So let me correct all these enters in similar way. You can stick this e with an, okay? Automatically whenever /n is given, it has a different meaning. Now this is correctly printed. So I had given the choice 6, so wrong choice, means program is working correct for default. Let me write once again, and let me give the choice as 3. Okay, what is enter 2 number for multiplication? So choice 3 is multiplication, yes or no?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Now I had entered 5 and 6. The result is 30. ID लिखा गया है, so I need to correct. So this is a software which is able to take the choices from user, and based on choice it will again ask for 2 numbers and then it will print the result. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
So let me show you this software also. Okay, I am saying whether it is software or not. Let me check. Printf /n, many times /n/n/n/n. Okay, so this is a program. Let us compile this program, build all. Okay, so there is a directory called program. Okay, and I had created the software. What is the name of this software? Case arith. So this is your case arith. Okay, and what is written here? Application. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Correct. What is application actually? Whenever you are running this program also here, if you are launching the code block, this CB launcher is application, yes or no?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Yes.
For opening your code block. So whatever you have developed recently, it is also application. That's why I am saying that this is your software. If I am double clicking on this, it will automatically run. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Run हो गया ये program?
Yes sir.
Without compiling, because I had created this software, I had created. That is the beauty of programming language. You can create your own application. Now I am writing choice 3. So it will ask 2 number for multiplication. Okay, and then it is exited from means without showing you any answer, it is exited from this. Let me try to do one conio.h statement, whether this will work or not. I had never used before. Include conio.h. Conio.
Include की spelling में mistake है sir.
For stopping the program. Okay. Get ch. Get ch is not a function. Get char. Invalid pre-processing directive. I had already told that this follows the convention of original C language. That is why this program is not able to run. Now it is able to run, and wrong choice because I had put character, and now it will ask for press any key to continue. Let me check whether this program is available for running or not. Okay. So this is yes, 3 and 56, 67. Yes, it is not able to run. And if you want to run this program, you need to run this program from command prompt. So till now, I think you are agree that this is our software which we have developed. Only one thing is there. We need to put wait loop here. Means the program must wait for users to see whether what is the answer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the program for menu program written for menu driven or choices driven. Now one more question is asked that sir हम इसको कैरेक्टर में लिख सकते हैं कि नहीं, तो कैरेक्टर ओके कैरेक्टर चॉइस and I had written enter as for sum, D for difference, M for multiplication, and now division is coming, I for division. Okay, because different words we need. Now choices are there, and case 1, instead of writing case 1, it is as, and because it is written in character, so I need to write in character. Then this is difference, this is multiplication, and this is division, I. The same program I'm going to run. Now the problem with this program is I need to press capital S, or I need to write a program in perfect manner so that it is able to execute the program. Okay, so I am writing I, so it is saying that wrong choice, so I need to check whether it is working or not, I or I. Okay, now it will increase unnecessary complication of the user, because I am going to explain this program to all the students who are here. So case I or I. So this is there is a lot of objection, error. Yeah. Now this is available. I am writing I, and again it is saying that it is wrong choice. What to do for this?
सर हम केस में ऑपरेटर्स ले सकते हैं, ऑपरेटर लेकर कर सकते हैं.
ऑपरेटर नहीं ले सकते आप. Again it is giving me wrong choice. Operator you can take, but it must be as string. Okay, you want to say that plus minus asterisk divide, yes or no?
सर इसमें हम मल्टीप्लाई के लिए मल्टीप्लाई वाला साइन ले लेंगे और फिर अंदर जाके सर हम उसकी फॉर्मूला लिख देंगे और लास्ट में सर हम प्रिंट एफ करके बता देंगे अगर ब्रेक डिफॉल्ट के बाद, इस पूरे कंडीशन के बाद.
फिर से बोलो
सर. मतलब कि जो आपने सर ये चॉइस लिख रखा है, मतलब ये ऑपरेटर हो गया हमारा, तो सर हम एक और बढ़ा देंगे, रिजल्ट लिख देंगे और हम केस में सर हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन वाला साइन ले लेंगे और फिर सर हम ये कर सकते हैं केस में, उसमें मल्टीप्लाई का हम लिख सकते हैं आपने सर रिजल्ट लिख सकते हैं हम कि a मल्टीप्लाई बाय b, फिर ब्रेक लगा देंगे और सर
वो आप
लास्ट में हम
फर्दर एनहेंसमेंट के लिए आप करो, ओके, फर्दर एनहेंसमेंट के लिए करो, लेकिन अभी आपको ये जो प्रोग्राम है इतना सिंपल लिखना है कि वो कॉम्प्लिकेशंस ना आए. लाइक in this particular case, now it is working finely. If I am writing I, again it is saying that wrong choice. Why? Because I had used this character C also. Let me check one more choice. Capital C is capital I is taking by this or not. Wrong choice. Each and every time it is saying that the choices are wrong. Okay. Although I is written, let me remove this also. So it is much better to create a choice-based program when, or it must be very simple. Okay. It is like control structure. Enter two number for addition. Okay. So this is our answer 0.000. Because I had written addition here, it must be division. Fine. So whatever thoughts coming inside your brain, you just execute it and paste it. Fine. I'm pasting this, copying this program and pasting to your screen. Just check it, and if you have any idea, you can perform your ideas. Section B is there, section A is not there. Any doubt for case switch?
No, sir.
Fine. So we will start using loop. Okay. And it is 3-minute program. I'm showing you how loops are working well. What is loop actually? If else is completed, now come to while structure. While. Okay. This is our looping, repetition. What kind of repetitions you require? Suppose you want to write number like 2, 4, 6, 8, or 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. For this purpose, you can use a while loop. Okay. So this is repetition is structure. Programmer specifies an action to be repeated while some condition remains true. And pseudocode is, while there are more items on my shopping list, purchase next item and cross it off. Suppose you are making one list, okay, and inside that list so many items are there. Whatever item you have completed, you just make cross over this, and whatever remaining is there, you need to right click. So while loop repeated until condition becomes false. Okay, it will repeated until the condition becomes false. So this is one example. Integer product equals to 2, while product is less than 1000, product equals to 2 multiplied by product. ये कर क्या रहा है? Exactly कर क्या रहा है? Okay, कंडीशन जो है वो प्रोडक्ट की है, इसको तो मैं कल बताऊंगा आपको. सिंपल एक इनिशियलाइजेशन होता है इंटीजर I equals to 1. Fine. Then while condition, while I is less than or equals to 10. कब तक? जब तक कि वो 10 ना हो जाए. Then you want to print the number. Print /n%d, और वो नंबर क्या प्रिंट करना चाहते हैं आप? I. Okay. This program will print, and you need to increase this number I plus plus, and then so this is known as initialization. For any while loop, these three elements are very important. First is initialization, second is condition, and third is iteration. Okay, when you are going to run this program, it will display you 1 2 3 6 7 8. So this is our first loop, and let me show you the how looping works well with code block. So this is our while demo. So this is our program which will print you, which will give output as 1 to 10. Okay.
सर प्रोग्राम शो नहीं हो रहा.
Screen is not visible.
Yes, sir, it is.
No, sir.
लेकिन प्रोग्राम नहीं आ रहा सर.
अब
ब्लैंक दिख रहा है सर.
आ रहा है
सर
सर.
सब
नहीं आ रहा सर.
Sir, it is
आ रहा है
visible.
नहीं
सर.
आ रहा है सर.
now is it visible? I think
No,
it is
sir.
visible.
Yes, sir, it is.
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Now if
Yes,
I am
sir.
going to if
Yes,
I am
sir.
running this program, this will produce output 1 to 10. Yes or no? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will explain this while loop. I had explained all the things, but how it is executed in real time, I will show you in next class. So again, the same thing. Just tell me what I need to explain you. Fine. And two programs I am pasting for you. This arithmetic case switch. जो भी आपको इसमें मॉडिफिकेशन परफॉर्म करने हैं, आप मॉडिफिकेशन परफॉर्म कीजिए. सेक्शन ए का क्या है, ग्रुप का कोड मुझे पता नहीं लग पा रहा है. 2024 कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सा ग्रुप है आप लोग का, है ना.
Sir,
सेक्शन
it
बी,
is CSC section A.
सीएससी सेक्शन ये. इसमें कहाँ से सेक्शन ए पता लगेगा मुझे? मैं रिवीजन में पेस्ट कर दूं. इसमें तो सारे कॉमन ग्रुप होंगे ना. ये कंप्यूटर साइंस के लिए बार बना है क्या?
सर बना है सर, एक सेकंड.
ये सिर्फ कंप्यूटर के लिए ना?
सर एक बार कंप्यूटर सर्च करिए, कंप्यूटर COMP पहला वाला कंप्यूटर साइंस.
कंप्यूटर सेक्शन बी लिखा है और
ये सेक्शन नीचे वाला सेक्शन ए का है सर.
कंप्यूटर साइंस SCSC.
हाँ नहीं, ये तो ठीक है. ये सिर्फ कंप्यूटर के लिए बना है या फिर और भी सब्जेक्ट्स है इसमें?
सर ये सिर्फ कंप्यूटर के लिए और सिर्फ सेक्शन ए के लिए है, पता नहीं.
ठीक है,
इसने नाम
ये मैंने
गलत
कोड पेस्ट कर दिया है ना. और इसको आप देख लेना और करली ब्रेसेस चेक कर लेना. यदि कम आए होंगे तो आप ऐड कर लेना, ज्यादा आए होंगे तो कम कर लेना. ठीक है. एंड वन मोर प्रोग्राम फॉर while. while इट इज वेरी सिंपल. और आप अपने हिसाब से इस कोड में मॉडिफिकेशन करके जो भी नया प्रोग्राम बनाना चाहते हैं वो बना लीजिए. जैसे ये एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, डिवीजन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन है तो आप यहाँ पर कुछ और भी काम कर सकते हैं, है ना, बहुत छोटा सा प्रोग्राम है, बहुत बड़ा दिख रहा है। सो थैंक यू एंड आई एम स्टॉपिंग दिस रिकॉर्डिंग।